Rich Morris here from thesingingdrummer.com. I stopped doing videos for about 2 years because we're remodeling our basement, but we've got it nearly done, so I'm going to start doing videos. And part of that is testing to see how well we can do a live microphone like this beautiful SM7B in a live drum situation. So today I've got in the studio a 1972 Ludwig Vistalite drum set. My dad bought brand new, and I was like 4 at the time in the drum store with him. On that drum set, I've got all attack heads. They're the ProFlex 1 single ply heads. Great product, great company. However, they've got too much attack. They come through the mic really, really well. So I've muffled them a little bit with big fat snare drum quesadilla covers. And I've got Arborea mute cymbals. They're practice cymbals. They're probably not the best for a live performance, but again, we're trying to get the sound down so we don't kill the live mic so that we can do singing drum covers. But today, I wanted to try out a bass drum hack that I saw on a channel called Sounds Like a Drum. It's a great channel, great ideas, and they do a lot of reviews on attack drum heads. I want you to go check it out. But I saw on there that they were going to try to do sandbags inside of a kick drum to help tighten it up. I don't quite understand it, but I thought that was a really great idea. So guess what I did? I bought 4 sandbags and 50 pounds of sand. I divided them equally. And so today we're going to put some sandbags in the Vistalite kick drum. That right now, let me say this. There's no muffling. There's not even a beater pad on this single ply kick drum head. All there is a 6-inch hole in the outer reso head, which is going to help kind of like deaden some of the ring. But we're going to stuff those sandbags inside and see how there sounds. We're moving towards doing live drum covers, so I've got to get this drum set leveled down a little bit, still sound good, but sing over top of it. So here it is. We're going to try it out. No sandbags. First time through. Here we go. So here it is with one sandbag inside, the same mic setup, the same kick drum. So now we got 2 sandbags in there. By the way, the sandbags are about 12 pounds, 12 and a half pounds each, filled with some nice clean playground type sand. So yeah, 2 sandbags. Now the sandbags are placed in there so they're not touching any part of the head. There's no muffling going on whatsoever. It is just the added mass inside. Now the strange thing is that in the sandbags, the sand is actually in plastic bags, because I was thinking from the Sounds Like a Drum drum channel, I was thinking that the sand was loose and that the impact would, kind of like a muffle, it would shuffle the sand and then let it fall because of the air pressure changes. But being in a plastic bag, I've never put together sandbags before. Putting the sand into a plastic bag, I would think would kind of stop that. But I am definitely hearing, I'll listen to the recording, but I'm definitely hearing a dampening effect in the kick from having more mass just inside the shell. Let's try another one. So yeah, 3 bags now. That's, what is that, 36, 37, 38-ish pounds, 39 pounds of sand inside the kick drum. Let's give it a shot. Now I'd like to go with, I've got one more sandbag. The only problem is where the sound hole is at, I'm having issues even getting the AKG D112 mic in there. And on top of that, there's just no more room to try to get the sandbags in there and then open them up because the sandbags are getting stacked so tall. So anyway, so 3 sandbags. I'm hearing the difference. We will go ahead and take a listen on the video, and you let me know if you're hearing a difference. I think I'm going to like what I hear. But yeah, put your comments down below. Hit the subscribe button, please. Brand new, restarting the channel. Would really love your support as I try to figure out how we're going to get this done. All right, thanks. Have a great day.